Hello children, good morning to all of you. Welcome back in mathematics class. We have completed your half yearly syllabus and we are studying percentage chapter. In the percentage chapter, all the important questions we have done as a revision. Today we are going to solve those questions which are most important for your examination. So pay attention and see here. The first question is, find a number which when increased by 2.5% becomes 246. See children how to solve. Let the number be x. Suppose the number is x. Question is saying if a number is increased by 2.5%, then it becomes 246. I hope you have understood how to write the language in mathematical form. This statement, how will you convert into mathematical form? I hope till now you have understood. The number increased by 2.5% of itself. Here it is written only 2.5%. You have to understand 2.5% of itself. Now solve and get your answer. X plus 2.5 upon 100 into x is equal to 246. Remove this decimal. X plus 25 upon 1000 into x is equal to 246. When decimal is removed from numerator, 10 is increased in denominator. Okay, now see. 25 can divide 1000 by 40 times. That means you have x plus x upon 40 is equal to 246. Now solve and get your answer. Take your LCM here, 40. It will become 40x plus x is equal to 246. 40x plus x is 41, x is equal to 246 into 40. This 40 is cross multiplied here. So x is equal to 246 into 40 upon 41. Now see children, 41 dividing 246 by 6 times. So x is equal to 6 into 40 means 240. That means the required number is x. 240 will be the value of it. Okay. See the same question is question number 2 also. Again let the number be x. Now question is saying number is decreased by 3.4%. That means x minus 3.4% of x should be equal to 483. By the same method this. As you have done the first question, by the same method you will do the second one also. X minus 3.4 upon 100 into x is equal to 483. X minus 34 upon 1000 x is equal to 483. Because when decimal is removed from numerator, 10 is increased in denominator. Now, by taking LCM x, 1000x minus 34x upon 1000 is equal to 483. Understood? 34 upon 1000 and here is x, denominator is nothing. That means 1000 will be the LCM. So 1000 is multiplied by x become 1000x minus this 34x. 1000 minus 34 is how much? 966x is equal to 483 into 1000. So x is equal to 483 into 1000 upon 966. Children, you can see that 483 dividing 966 by 2 times, and 2 is dividing 1000 by 500 times. That means x is equal to 500, and that is your answer. Is this clear? See the third question. The price of a fan increases from this to this. That means the original price was 3260 and new price is 3749. Then find the increase percent. Children, how will you find increase in price? How much price is increased? How will you find? The old price is this, new price is this. How will you find how much the price is increased? New price minus old price. 3749 minus 3260. 9 minus 0 is 9. 14 minus 6 is 8. 6 minus 2 is 4. 3 minus 3 is 0. 489 rupees was increased in the price. Then we can find the increase percent. And how will you find the increase percent? Increase in price upon original price into 100%. This is the method which you have to learn. Always you can find increase or decrease percent. Increase or decrease upon original multiplied by 100%. Now put the value and get your answer. Increase percent will be increased prices. Increase in prices 489. Original price is 3260 multiplied by 100%. Now solve and get your answer. See here, 0 to 0 cancelling each other. 2 dividing this number by 163 and 2 dividing 10 by 5 times. Now see children, 163 can divide 489 by 3 times. So 3 into 5 is 15. That means increase percent in its price. Increase percent in its price is 15%. Understood? Now see the question number 4. A car was purchased last year for this rupees. That means the last year price was this. 4,15,000. 4,15,000 was the price last year. Now its value is rupees 3,56,900. You can see that the price is reducing. Last year price was this, new price is this. At what rate is the car depreciating? Depreciating means decreasing or reducing, you can understand. At what percent the price of car is decreasing? So first to find out decrease in price. Decrease in price will be original price minus new price. 4,15,000 minus 3,56,900. Subtract it. 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0 is 0. 10 minus 9 is 1. 14 minus 6 is 8. 10 minus 5 is 5. 3 minus 3 is 0. That means 58,100 is the decrease in price. So what will be the rate percent of it? What will be the depreciating percent? Decrease in price upon original price multiplied by 100%. Always this will be the method. Either this is increase or decrease. Decrease upon original multiplied by 100. Now solve and get your answer. See, 1 0 2 0 both are cancelling here. 1 0 is cancelled here. 5 8 ja 40. 5 into 3 is 15. 5 into 1 is 5. Again 5 into 1 is 5. 5 into 6 is 30. 5 2 ja 10. 5810 is divided by 5, then you will get 1162. Yes, it is correct. Now you have 1162 upon 83%. Now divide and get your answer. 83 is dividing 1162. So take 1 times. 83. Okay. Now multiply it by 4. 4 3s are 12. 4 8s are 32 plus 1 13. That means when 83 will divide this, it will come 14%. That means depreciating in prices or reducing in prices 14%. Understood? Now solve and get your note down these things. Okay, now see question number 5. Express 2 by 5 as a percentage. So children, if any number we are converting into percentage, it is multiplied by 100%. Remember this. Either it is fraction, ratio or decimal. We are converting into percentage means we have to multiply by 100%. Now multiply and solve it. 5 dividing 100 by 20 and 20 into 2. 40% is the answer. 2 by 5 means 40%. Now see question number 6. What percent of a day is 27 minutes? Though you can do directly also and you can suppose x, then also you can solve. Suppose x percent. Let x percent of a day is 27 minutes. Suppose it. Now x percent of a day means 24 hours is equal to 27 minutes. X percent means x upon 100 into 24 hours means 24 into 60 minutes. Is this understood? Because without making the unit same, we cannot calculate. So unit must be same. That is why hour is converted into minute by multiplying 60. 1 day is converted into hours. Hours is converted into minute. Now what will be the value of x here? 27 into 100 upon 24 into 60. 0 to 0 cancel. 6 divided by 3 coming to 3 dividing 27 by 9 times. 3 2 is 6, 3 9 is 27. Now 2 dividing 10 by 5 times. 3 8 is 24, 3 3 is 9. Is this clear? 3 5 is 15 upon 8. 15 upon 8%. Now it is not divisible. It is not divisible, so you can leave your answer here or you can give it in a mixed fraction. 1 into 7 by 8%. Understood? Check the calculation once again. X percent of a day means x percent of 24 hours is 27 minutes is equal to 27 minutes. 24 hours means 24 into 60 minutes. X percent means x upon 100. So x is equal to 100 will be cross multiplied with 27. So 27 into 100 upon 24 into 60. 0 to 0 cancel. 3 dividing 6 by 2 times. 3 dividing 27 by 9 times, 2 dividing 10 by 5 times, 3 dividing 24 by 8 times, 3 dividing 9 by 3 times. So 3 into 5, 15 is in the numerator, 8 is in the denominator. So 15 by 8 means 1 into 7 by 8%. Okay? Now see question number 7. On decreasing the price of a car by 6%, its value becomes 2,49,100. Then what was the original price? Suppose the original price is X. Let the original price be rupees X. Now question is saying price is reduced by 6% of itself, then it becomes 2,49,100. After reducing 6% it becomes. Now your equation is ready. Solve and get your answer. How will you solve it? By taking LCM 100, it will become 100x minus 6x is equal to 249100. So 100 minus 6 will be 94. X is equal to 249100 into 100. This 100 is cross multiplied. So x is equal to 249100 upon 94. So x is equal to how much? Divide and get your answer. Say here, take 2 times, 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18. Now take 6 times, 6 4s are 24, 2 carry on, 6 9s are 54 to 56. Now 5 times, 5 4s are 20, 45 to 47, then 1 0. When 94 is dividing this number, you will get 2650. Okay, that means 265000. That means 2,65,000 was the original price. Division you can see here. Okay, now the last question. If x% of 80 is 16, then what will be the value of x? See, this question is very easy. X% of 80 is equal to 16 means 8 upon 180 equal to 16. 1 0 1 0 cancel. So x is equal to 6 into 10 upon 8. Okay. 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. 4 dividing 10 by 2.5 times. That means x is equal to 7.5. Okay. Children, your percentage chapter is over. We have revised all the type of questions which are going to come in examination. Must revise, solve many times the questions which I have given you as the revision. And don't forget to send your assignment which I am giving with this video. Okay? Bye bye.